A Hamilton County judge is elaborating on comments made from the bench about domestic violence and how it affects innocent children.
Within the last month alone, at least 4 women in our viewing area have been killed, all somehow linked to domestic violence. NewsChannel 9's Jerry ASKIN spoke with Judge Lila Statom today, who says these cases are becoming more disturbing. Jerry.
Well, today Judge Statom told me these kinds of cases are becoming far too common. She sees firsthand how kids are affected who are in many cases directly involved.
Domestic violence is, I believe, destroying our families in our nation.
Judge Statom has been on the bench in Hamilton County since December of 2012. In the past, she's worked as a child abuse lawyer where she prosecuted thousands of domestic violence cases. She says what hurts the most is knowing how children are affected.
It might be the spouse who's the victim, and then ultimately the children who are the victim, and how those children are sort of in a helpless position because they didn't get to select their parents.
A makeshift memorial sits outside the home where Frances Smith, known as the Candy Lady, was gunned down over a week ago. Smith's family says she was a victim of domestic violence.
I think it's other ways to solve problems other than hurting someone or taking their life. I mean, if you can't deal with the problem, just walk away.
Just a month ago, police say Kiera Patton, a young mother of 2, was shot dead by her boyfriend while their 2 small children were home. Hamilton County Judge Lila Statom presided over the preliminary hearing and weighed in from the bench after sending that case to a grand jury.
There are 2 kids today that will grow up without their mother and presumably without their father because of domestic violence.
Judge Statom told me over the past year she's seen both men and women who are afraid to report domestic violence. But she says not reporting it may only make matters worse.
And I think that if you get yourself in counseling, which there is free counseling available for that, you understand the cycle of abuse so you can get out.
And to find out more about free counseling and services offered in our area, if you're a victim, just head over to NewsChannel9.com.